Hello everyone and welcome to Verminton Management. In this video, we're going to go over 2 extra lines of business you can add to your medical clinic or medical facility to make extra cash. The first one is to become a civil surgeon. Civil surgeons are doctor approved by the Department of Homeland Security to clear people pursuing their permanent residency. The application process is relatively easy and painless compared to other applications in this field, but you need to have all of the credentials. If you don't have all of the credentials, then you will have blockers. This is usually a cash-based payment system, but you can combine it with insurance coverage services. Depending on the location, you can expect this service to generate an extra $2,000 to $5,000 gross per month. I will upload a video tutorial going over the application process, how to fill out the form, and other useful information surrounding this line of business. The second one is to become a medical examiner. Medical examiners in New York State are trusted by the city to perform commercial driver license medical examinations. Everyone in the state who is applying to get their commercial license need to get their physical done by a medical examiner. By doing this, you will also be part of the network of doctors who can perform individual vision exams. You can anticipate this source of revenue to increase your monthly income anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 depending on your location. I would upload a video tutorial on how to become a medical examiner and the steps you need to take to complete the process. In short, with these 2 lines of business, you will be added up to $10,000 on average in revenue from your current operations without changing major equipment, without changing your operations dramatically. These are just add-ons from what you already have, what you are already experiencing in your clinical practice. If you have any questions, concerns, drop a comment, reach out. I will leave in the description the links on how to get to every single one of these websites and some descriptions on how to apply for each individual one of these lines of business. But like I said, I will make individual videos for both of them so I could show you step by step how to get there from A to Z.